All right, you need to make sure you're on time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 005864, State versus Jesse James Diaz. Can I have parties announced?
Christopher Ramos for the defense.
And are you Mr. Diaz?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Mr. Jesse Diaz.
All right, counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, and we did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Diaz, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes,
Mr. Diaz, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Diaz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, yes.
If
ma'am.
you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense?
yes,
Yes,
Did you
Judge.
review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am. I
By
did.
signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be 200 hours of community service restitution. There be alcohol awareness course, hostility management. Excuse me, could y'all like talk somewhere else? Anti-theft course, parenting class, and no firearms. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. All right, proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, Judge, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only, Judge, this was an act of foolishness. He has minimal criminal history. The prosecutors reviewed the case and we're asking the court to honor agreements respectfully.
All right, why are you doing this?
What's that? What's a foolish act?
No, I mean, there has to be a reason why you're doing it. How old are you?
34 years old, man.
Was the beer worth it?
No, not at all, man. No. It was. Yes, no.
All right, and see, you're part of the problem. Let me tell you what part of the problem is. You have people who are working at these convenience stores for little or no money, and then they have to deal with people coming in at night and doing crazy stuff that you're doing. Yeah. And if they were to close all the gas stations down after 10 p.m., then people will be complaining. But it will be because of people like you stealing things and taking things that don't belong to you. When's the last time you had alcohol?
It's been a long time since this case started, man.
And are you employed?
Yes, ma'am, I am employed.
What do you do?
I work from home for a card service. I change addresses. I deal with the people's claims, you know, when people's cards are not delivered, and I issue new cards out. I do that from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I do have children.
And what are their ages?
17 and 12.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to a $1,000 fine that will be probated, 6 years deferred adjudication. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes is completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to order the MRT. Once the MRT is completed, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 50 hours will be deducted for 1 hour for every sober support meeting you complete.
Okay, ma'am.
There's going to be TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, except if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. There is to be no contact with Circle K, located at 4338 West Commerce Street, San Antonio, Texas, 78237. And also there's to be there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand, ma'am.
And next time, before you do anything, think about how your actions will impact other people. That person at the convenience store who's just trying to make money for their family probably doesn't want to do that anymore. You understand?
I understand, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it, ma'am. Have a great day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.